In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quote on Jobber. First, open your browser and go to jobber.com. Log into your account and you'll land on the dashboard. From here, look to the left-hand side of the screen. This is your main navigation area where you can quickly create new work. Find the plus sign button, it's your quick create shortcut, and click it. In the menu that opens, choose quote. This tells Jobber you're starting a brand new estimate for a client. Next, select create new quote to open a fresh quote draft. At the top of the quote, add a clear descriptive title that reflects the work you're pricing. For example, you might write something like bathroom renovation if that's the project. A consistent naming style makes it easy to search and track later, especially if you handle many similar jobs. Now enter your client. You can select an existing client from your list or type to search. Make sure the client details are accurate so the quote is attached to the right contact and address. Accuracy here saves time downstream when you convert the quote to a job or invoice. Next, move to the product or service section. Add the item name. This could be a service like tile installation or a product like vanity cabinet, and set the quantity. Quantities should reflect how you bill: hours, units, or materials. If it helps your client understand the scope, type a concise description. Use this space to clarify what's included, any assumptions or limitations. Clear descriptions reduce back and forth and help set expectations. Enter the unit price, which is what the client will pay per unit. Then add the unit cost, which is your internal cost per unit. Keeping cost data accurate helps you track margins and stay profitable. If your account has taxes or markups configured, Jobber will use those settings to calculate totals automatically. Before saving, take a moment to review everything. Check the title, client, items, quantities, descriptions, prices, and costs. Make sure line items are spelled correctly and formatted consistently. Glance at the subtotal, taxes, and total to confirm the numbers make sense. This quick review is your best safeguard against revisions later. Once you're satisfied with the details and totals, click Save Quote. That's it. Your quote is now created and ready for next steps, like previewing, sending to the client, or converting to a job when it's approved. If you follow these steps each time, clear title, correct client, accurate items with descriptions, proper pricing and costs, and a careful review, you'll produce professional, reliable quotes in Jobber with confidence.